Stickman looks at his phone. Bro, money is confusing. He scrolls. Save? Invest. Don't mess up? Stickman sighs. I don't know what I'm doing. Rich Stickman walks in, sipping wine. Most people don't. Stickman looks up. Then why does everyone act like they do? Rich Stickman shrugs. They learn the hard way. Stickman points around. So what is this page? Rich Stickman sits. It's where we explain money simply. Stickman blinks. Like actually simple? Rich Stickman nods. No fluff, no hype, no pretending. Stickman gestures to himself. So, I'm the guy figuring it out. Rich Stickman smiles. And I'm the guy who figured it out a little earlier. Stickman squints. So you're not special. Rich Stickman smirks. Just prepared. Stickman looks at the camera. So if you're confused about money, or tired of making expensive mistakes, Stickman nods. You're in the right place. Stickman pauses. So what do we talk about? Rich Stickman counts casually. Money, investing, insurance, debt, real-life decisions. Stickman exhales. Yeah, I need that. Stickman looks back at Rich Stickman. So what's the goal?
Huh?
Rich Stickman sips. To help you make better choices. Stickman nods. Before things get expensive, Rich Stickman raises his glass. Exactly. Stickman looks at camera again. All right, I'm staying. Rich Stickman smiles. Welcome. Stickman pauses. Note to self. Stop guessing.